everyone, I'm Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Have you ever seen art critics judging a photo by digging too deep into its meaning, picking apart every little flaw, placement of the subject, why the photographer chose that pose or that location? Art has always been something that creates emotions, opinions, judgment. It's like the photo has some sort of hidden agenda deep inside of it. Maybe, just maybe, a photo is just a photo, a moment in time that a photographer was able to capture, and that is it. No meaning, no intent, just a simple photograph. Let's see if that's even possible. In the age of Instagram and high-end cameras, there's a lot of emphasis on capturing the perfect photo. But not every photo needs to tell a grand story or be technically flawless. Sometimes the beauty lies in its simplicity. If you watch my photography trends for 2024 video, you'll see that snapshots and documentary style photos are trending right now. The link to that video is actually in the description below. They may not be prize-winning photos, but that doesn't mean that they're not good. The quest for the perfect photo can be exhausting. It's easy to get caught up in likes and trends and technicalities, losing the joy of photography in the process. There's a unique charm in candid shots. These unposed moments can capture a raw, real essence that stage photos might not. They remind us that beauty can be found in the mundane. Historically, many famous photos were simple, spontaneous shots. They gained value over time because of the stories that they naturally encapsulated, not because they were meticulously planned. Imperfections can add character to your photo. A blurred figure, an unexpected photobomb, or even a misguided or a misaligned horizon can sometimes make a photo more interesting and relatable. Sometimes it's not about capturing what's extraordinary, but about observing what's around us. A photo can simply be a reflection of how we see the world at that particular moment. Photography can also be therapeutic. It allows us to focus on the present and appreciate the small details and express ourselves without pressure of perfection. I encourage you to experiment with your photos. Take photos that might not meet the standards, but mean something to you personally, okay? It's a great way to develop a unique style and also find joy in photography. Remember, sometimes a photo is just a photo. It doesn't have to be perfect or profound. It is a snippet of life that is in itself beautiful. Keep capturing the world through your lens in all its simplicity and complexity. See what I did there? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really does help. Ring that bell to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.